Hi, my name is Anna Baldi. I'm the owner and principal designer at Contrast Interior Design, and I was hired to design their primary bathroom. When I was 13, my parents did an addition on our house, and they let me pick out all the finishes. And it was like forest green and navy and burgundy because it was the 90s. And that just lit my passion for design, so I went to school for it, and here I am 20 years later. So I worked with the homeowners on this project to come up with an overall design. I always ask questions in our consultation, likes, dislikes, colors that you don't like, colors that you love. And then from there, I come up with kind of a vibe and a mood that we want for the space. We do a concept and budget review, so we make sure we're all speaking the same language. And from there, I get approval and we just move forward. Working with Excel through the design process was great because Dennis and I were able to collaborate on, what's the best way to install this tile, what's the best solution for this vanity, for the plumbing, to run the lighting. We were able to collaborate on not only the finishes, but the space planning and the most efficient way to make the space work for the client. Excel's attention to detail was exceptional throughout the whole project. I was really particular about wanting grout lines to line up, sight lines to make sense, and they really understood how important all of that was to me and the client, and worked with us every step of the way to make sure that that was executed right. I would recommend Excel management because they're just easy to work with. They're kind, they're thoughtful, and throughout the whole process, I felt like I was informed, the homeowner was informed, and we all just really meshed really well and got a really great product at the end. Excel management was great in helping us bring our vision to life by just communication from the start. And then we had weekly meetings where we would discuss what's happening that week, what details we need to get right, any questions they had, I had, the homeowner had. We just all made sure we were on the same page.